use this to tap it. Loosen up. There we go. Oh. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, there's still some oil in there. Alright, gotta try and keep this clean. Yeah. Wow, so that's a weight? I have to remember how all this goes together, okay? You guys be telling me if I forget. Nice. Look at that. Whew. That right there, that's the governor. That's why that doesn't like me. I don't think there's any governors that like me. I'm just kidding. Yep. Excellent. So there's this big weight here. You guys can you see that? So this is the timing gear for the cam. This is the governor here. This yellowish plastic piece goes onto the governor arm here. This is some big weight that I don't know about. It doesn't move. Alright, so I cannot get this dirty. I'm going to dump a whole bunch of stuff in there, aren't I? I don't have money for paint either. I need some paint. Shoot. Went to the hardware store today. Could have gotten some. My dad owes me allowance. Alright, let's get to work and cleaning this thing up. We're going to take the governor out. I'm going to get a plastic bag to put this in because I don't want to get it dirty. All oil full, whatever. So, governor comes out, goes on top. Ready? Right, you can see that. I'm just making sure I can see it, so when I put this back together I can watch the video. Let's see. So, this comes out on top of the timing gear. This is the governor. Now, as it speeds up, I'm going to try and tell you what I know about how it works, if you don't know. So let me come close here. So here it is, and these pieces, as it speeds up, these come apart, I don't know how, and push this forward. Oh shoot, you couldn't see that. I'm sorry. As it speeds up, okay, this spins, and as it goes faster and faster, the gear goes up, pushes it like this, and this stub on the end here, which if you're a racer, you don't even want this stuff. So if you want to buy this engine and you're a racer, tell me now, we'll put it back in. Okay, so when that stub goes forward, see if I can find it. Let's back a little bit more. Right here, it pushes on this, which is the governor arm. Why is the whole camera moving? Alright, so that's how that works. Got a governor. Clean up some of the oil on there. It's really a dark piece of metal. I thought it was oil, but it's not. So I have to make sure that cap stays in the end. Okay? I'm always so amazed at how clean they stay, because they get so gunked up on the outside, and the inside is always so pristine and clean. Alright, so I got some of the oil off there. We'll put that in the bag, not the box. And what do we take out next? Governor has that brass housing. So, how do we get the bolts for the piston I'm looking at here? Take this out. It's under tension. Does it come right out? I thought it did. Huh. There's a nut right there, isn't there? On the top. Possibly. Oh, there it goes. Ow, I scratched myself. Ew. There's your timing cam, so you can, if you're a racer here, and I'm not going to do this for you, but come up close. These lobes here, like this one, can be extended longer. So it pushes the valve open more, either letting in more injectables, your gas and stuff, or letting out more exhaust. So you can make it run more powerfully. Clean that all out. So this is all dark metal, I guess, or it's like really badly stained because it's not coming off. It's all oily. It's actually pretty good oil. Alright, nice. Camshaft, I think. They call it. Put that in the bag over here. Beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to take the piston out. It's the crank. Maybe I should take the crank out. Let me zoom out a little bit for you. There. Held in. Oh, I get it. Now I know what this is. That's why, because the only engine I've taken apart to this extent is a V-twin. That's why I didn't have it, but there's the dog bone. And that's to make it run a bit smoother. So there's a dog bone in here. I'll show it to you in a little bit. That holds this weight. Oh, because I know you can buy a billet dog bone for racing. That's good to have. Alright, so there's the cam lobes, which I can't push because they're sprung. Let's take the piston out. There's my wrench. We're going to use this one actually. So I can grab it. There's a bent flange on here and I'm not sure if that does anything. So I'm going to try and not unbend it. There we go. Oh, I have to unbend it. There's my pliers. One sec. Move the camera for you. We'll get right up close in my face. Oh, that doesn't move. Oh shoot, I cut myself. Can I wipe that on? Shirt. There. Oh, there you go. That's a much better view. Sorry I didn't do this earlier. Okay. So, sit back down. Ow, it's bleeding. I had a band-aid afterward. So this is the bolt I'm taking out here. I feel like a pro here. I'm just watching the camera. There it is. Nice, nothing special about it. That will go in the bag also. So I have to label this bag so I don't get it confused. If you watched my other video, I have a bag of a different piston from a V-twin. Why do I keep saying V-twin? It's not a V-twin, it's an opposed twin. Ha, that's stupid. Okay, let's see. Come on, turn. There we go. And so these two are the ones I'm taking out here. This one and this one. This one's the one that's still in there. You gotta unbend that flange. That may or may not do something. Ugh, I can't grab it on this one. How can I get this? You still see mine in the way. Wow, I'm bleeding a lot. Got it all over myself. Yeah. Right there. In case you were wondering. Probably weren't. Shoot, I gotta pause it. Got a band-aid. Alright, next episode we'll take that piston out and maybe the crank too. See you then.